Shenzhen Cloud 3 Technology Company Limited is located in Shenzhen City, Guangdong Province. Our cooperation factory has advanced production equipment and skilled frontline employees. We have developed several series of products such as neck massager, massager pillow, hand massager, foot massager, eye massager, muscle stimulator, leg massager, massager gun, and beauty products. Knowing that the development of the company depends on the innovation and quality of the products, we have established a quality management system to meet the requirements of the International Quality Management System, with continuously releasing the original innovations according to the market and customer needs. Our company always maintains the novelty and innovative products to take the customer's thoughts and urgency into consideration. Providing excellent service for customers and meeting customer needs are our eternal pursuit. Our company's products sold worldwide. The company has won the unanimous recognition of consumers with satisfactory quality and perfect after-sales service. Our cooperation factory has a professional R&D team. We can design and produce according to the drawings provided by our customers. ODM and OEM orders are welcome. Our vision is becoming one of the most best competitive fitness and health product supplier in China. Our values is teamwork, customer focus. That's why most customers choose us. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. We look forward to your visit. Thanks.